Hi.
Have you heard of Baldi's Basics?
Not sure.
It's a video game.
Okay.
And I made some of these basics projects.
Oh.
You see right here, now I'm Krish.
Mm-hmm. Ha ha.
I am
What's that?
Baldi.
Ooh. He seems to be a little grumpy. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay.
I am an angry Baldi. An angry Baldi slaps his ruler on his hand.
What's on your head?
That's my little bit of hair sticking out.
Ah, nice. Nice.
This is a Baldi mask I made.
Uh-huh.
I will quickly explain to you how I made this Baldi mask.
Okay.
It took a while. It took like at least 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
So first, you need a head base. To make the head base, you need paper mache.
Oh.
So do you know how to make paper mache? You gotta make paper mache. I won't tell you now. You make paper mache, and then the balloon, you cut it off.
Mm-hmm.
Take it out. Now what you have to do, it'll be more like an egg shape. So you cut more of them until it becomes more like a round shape.
Okay.
And then you cut it off, and there you got your head base. Now you need to decorate it. First, I will start with the nose. What I did is I just used so much newspaper.
Okay.
And made it into like a raindrop shape, and wrapped it around with tape and painted it.
Mm-hmm.
And you also got to paint this thing. You can either put this together and then paint it, or paint it and then put it together.
Okay.
I painted it and then put it together. So paint the nose, and you got to paint this a big head. Cut a styrofoam ball. You just need one, and make eyes. And you got to cut them in half and paint 2 back dots in the middle. And you need some scrap paper. I would use like 6 scrap paper. You need to draw his tiny bit of hair out of his head, and his 2 eyebrows over his eyes. And if you're making a happy Baldi, you make it a happy face. If you're making a sad Baldi, make it a sad face.
Okay.
Also, with eyebrows, it's a little angry because he's an angry Baldi. But if you were making a normal Baldi, you will make, the eyebrows normal.
Okay.
If you're making a happy Baldi, and this would be upside down.
Mm-hmm.
Happy. That's how I quickly explained of how I made this Baldi. And I got some help from my mom.
Okay.
And she has a channel called Pavina Coyambutter.
Okay.
And one more step, and this is the most important step of all of them. You need to see. And if you're wondering, I could actually see through this mask because
Oh, yeah.
there are holes here.
Tiny holes, huh?
Yeah. Normally I wouldn't want them to be seen that much, but here I want to show you them.
Okay.
Because it's very important.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to hurt yourself. And a ruler too. I just took paper, folded it, and made some lines. If you would be slapping a wooden ruler, it would hurt a little bit on your hand. So it's paper.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Is he a teacher or what?
He is a teacher. Do you even know Baldi Basics?
Nope.
It is a school. He is in a schoolhouse, and the goal is to collect 7 notebooks. And for each notebook, you have to answer 3 math equations. You cannot get caught by Baldi, and these other characters are just helping Baldi get closer to you. If you get caught by Baldi, Baldi wins. But if you get all 7 notebooks and escape the schoolhouse, then you win. And you're the player.
Okay.
So, yeah. And the only time Baldi will be like chasing you is on the first question. When you go to the notebook, when you get the question wrong. So either those 3 questions, if you get them all right, then he won't chase you. But for one notebook, you'll get them wrong.
Easy math always?
Yes.
Okay.
And guess what he says? Everybody's favorite subject is math.
All right.
Okay, now that was me explaining Baldi.
Mm-hmm.
Now I want to show you. Oh, I know.
What's that?
This is a you can think pad. So when you go, I was talking about Baldi's basics. You go and you click the notebook. This will show up. So Baldi's face will show up here. And you have to put your answer here. And math equation will show here. And if you get the problem 1, problem 2, and problem 3 correct, a ding ding, a check mark or an X will come. So Baldi does that. He's right here. His face will show up here.
Okay.
Like say was 3 plus 2. That equals 5.
Okay.
So a ding ding will come here and you have to find it. And if it was 7 minus 2, that's 5 again. So then you'll end up 5 here and a ding ding will come here. Then guess what happens? It's going to square plus 5. And obviously here you don't know the answer. So you press 10 or something. And then the next comes here. And then that's when Baldi gets mad. Okay, now I'm going to go on.
What's that?
It's arts and crafters. It's a sock puppet.
Oh.
Let me just blindfold it.
What kind of puppet is he?
He's a sock puppet. I made a sock. You just got to take 2 googly eyes.
Is he an animal or something?
I don't think so.
Okay.
And he's got a mouth. You just, kind of circle around black construction paper. On this gray spot, you put this under it. And then you put black, and then you make red. And you glue 2 eyes. And I made them different size eyes. That's what he has. And guess what he does? He spits ink at your screen.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
So, yeah, he's helping Baldi
Okay.
get you closer to him. All the other characters are just helping Baldi, except the player, which is you. Now, the next craft, which I made.
Awesome. Did you make all that? Wow, it looks
You
so
may be
real.
asking, what is this?
Yeah, what is it?
Is the janitor because he's in a school, and his name is Goddess Sweet because he keeps on saying, Goddess Sweet, Sweet, Sweet. You want Goddess Sweet?
Okay.
So, I'll tell you quickly how I made him. It wasn't really hard, actually. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. You just gotta fold the cardboard here. Just fold 2 of them and cut this one to be a little shorter. And then you could use a cardboard roll, but I would like it to make it look more wooden, like the balloons. So I rolled up some paper. Baldi could even be snapping that. That's another way to make his ruler. You can roll up paper.
Okay.
Baldi's ruler. And then I just took construction paper. You like, let's see how much I used. 1, 2, 3. I used 10. So I folded up into 10 sheets. And of green and white.
Okay.
You can see, if you can look closely, the white is actually a little bit longer than the green. You gotta paint this green. And this is a little bendy. It's okay. This is white. And this is like a balloon, so it can actually walk. And Baldi is this room and Baldi's Basics. It has this white around it. I just used construction paper, the red, and then the yellow strip around it. And it's got a white strip, too. It'll sweet, sweet, sweet. It'll sweet, sweet, sweet. Now, on this You Can Think pad, I want to go. There was red here, but here it was actually purple. But I just painted it blue because we didn't have purple paint.
Okay.
And this is really thick.
Nice.
Bye. Oh, and my chalk drawings will come up next. Bye. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.
Bye-bye.